Babler Elementary had a very large problem with traffic in the morning and afternoon during parent drop-off and pickup. We are on two major roads, so there was a lot of overflow of cars presenting major traffic jams both in the morning commute and afternoon. So the big picture was to facilitate some space that we had behind our elementary school that was a field, and to put a track around it where the traffic could then utilize that space in the morning and afternoon for cars to have a set line that they could follow and provide more space in a safe way for kids to get in and out of school. It has been amazing because no matter if you are on top of your game in the morning or afternoon and you arrive early, or if you're running behind, no matter what time you get here, the line is got a great flow to it. There's no traffic that backs up on Shepherd anymore, and it really has just been a smooth transition, and I think that everybody has been very happy with it.